So you got this awesome idea and you're trying to figure out how to protect it. Like you don't want somebody else to steal it, right? And you've heard about copyrights, patents, trademarks, but it's all like alphabet soup. No idea which one is actually going to work for the idea that you have. Well, I'm going to tell you whether or not you can copyright that idea. But first, go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell so that you'll know when new information comes out, and follow me on social. I'm on IG, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on LinkedIn. So let's get to it. So I'm the trademark boss, Tanya Williams, if we haven't met before, and you're here to figure out, can you copyright your idea? So what the heck is a copyright anyways? Well, a copyright is a protection of something you've created. So you've created a beat, you've created a book, you've created a movie, you've created a piece of art. Copyright will protect that thing. We call it fixed in a tangible medium of expression. I know that means nothing to you, but it's a fixed thing. So it protects that book. It protects that manuscript. It protects the actual script for your movie. It can even protect architectural plans. And it gives you a certain set of rights that you now have once you've created it. Copyright, though, cannot protect an idea. So how the heck do I protect an idea? The truth is, in order to protect an idea, you really can't. So what about trademark, Tanya? Well, trademark doesn't protect an idea. What trademark does is it will allow you to identify the goods and services that you're selling. So think about trademark like the Nike sign, the swoosh, or just do it. Whenever you see or hear those things, you automatically think of what? Sporting goods, right? Because that's what you think of when you think about Nike. That's what a trademark does. It's not protecting the idea of creating sporting goods. It's identifying that this brand creates this product. Now, trade secrets is a little different. So trade secrets, think about the Coca-Cola formula or the KFC recipe, the things that none of us will ever find out about ever, like ever. We will never know what those formulas are. That is one concept of protecting an idea. But it's not really an idea. Like it's a tangible thing. Like the Coke formula does exist. I don't know what the formula is or what the science is behind it, but it does exist. So there is a way for you to be able to protect the concept and the way that you do something. If it is so secretive, if your competitor found out about it, you'd now have a problem. So one of the ways that you can protect how you do something might be through trade secrets. Now, trade secrets can protect things like customer lists. It can protect things like the Coke formula or the 11 herbs and whatever else they're putting in the chicken. But that is one of the ways that we can maybe protect an idea. And that means that you're keeping it secret. You are trying to do everything you can to protect it so that it doesn't get out there and nobody else can get their hands on it. Any employees that have to deal with it, you make sure that they sign confidentiality agreements. So there are ways to protect that idea that you are using to fuel your business process, to fuel what it is that you're doing. But that's not copyright. Copyright is like this book. Like I've written it down, I've put it on something, and I can now protect that. Trademark is the brand. Patent. What's patent? Well, patent is a way to kind of sort of protect an idea, but not really. Here's what I mean. Patent protects inventions, but that invention has to be new to the world. It has to be novel, is what they call it. And that level of novelty can be something that's really difficult for a business to overcome. The other thing about patent is, unlike trade secrets, when you apply for the patent, it becomes public knowledge because this information and this process of how you do something is now a part of the USPTO, which is the US Patent and Trademark Office. It's a part of their records. So with patent, while you are going to be able to prevent others from doing that same process and creating that same product. One, that process is time limited because a patent only lasts for 20 years. And two, that process is now out there. If you want to keep it secret, then a trade secret is how you're going to have to go. So, what's the takeaway? No, you cannot protect an idea by copyright. That's not how it works. Trademark you can use to protect the brand and to show the goods and services that are now connected to that brand, so that if somebody else is using your brand name, that's different. The only way you might be able to protect your idea is through trade secrets. And that means keeping it as secret as possible for as long as possible, because the moment it gets out to the public, you're done. That trade secret is gone. You can sue for the damages, but the secret is no longer a secret anymore. Okay, so I hope that was helpful to you. Short, sweet, and to the point. That's what we do over here. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. All my info is down there and you can reach me and ask me whatever it is you need. Have a good one.